It's been a minute since like I made a video. Well, I don't really know when the last time either one of us posted a video was, but I'm gonna make one now because A, I have a new obsession with the song, and B, it's kind of time. So I'm gonna sing "Payphone" by Adam. Well, it's really not by Adam Levine; it's by Maroon 5. But I love Adam Levine, so we'll give him the credit for it. But Maroon 5, they're the people. Okay. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You said it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? But then that time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I've spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Well, that was Payphone by Maroon 5 / Adam Levine, sung by me, Diane. Okay, well, it's been real. Subscribe, follow. We don't have a Twitter, so you really can't do that. But we have separate ones. So I'm at Little Jonas Rush, and Chelsea is at Hazel Eyes Vogue. So follow, subscribe, enjoy. Bye, guys!